everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? In today's video, we are doing my first ever ASMR. Now, if you have no fucking idea what that means, I'm gonna throw up the definition right here. People get off and enjoy calm and quiet voices. Now, this video is gonna be a little bit difficult for me to do because I have one of the biggest mouths in America. This thing right here, it's loud, bitch. I have a big mouth. So in today's video, I am going to try my God's honest try at being very calm and collected, and we are going to use our inside voices. And today, I thought, girl, instead of getting rowdy and clapping back and getting crazy, let's just read some brutal, evil, mean hate comments that maybe 10 years ago would have made me want to kill myself, but now I'm a strong girl and I can take it like a champ. Every day, I get a lot of hate comments. 95% of you out there watching this, y'all fuck with me. And I get a lot of love all day long, but sometimes it's fun to poke fun at how crazy people are. Oh, was that offensive? I hope not. But you guys know what I mean. Like, some people, they're just scrolling, they see my picture, they throw up, they get nervous, and they just have to sound off. So in today's video, we're going to be reading some amazing comments from people that have just passed by my page. And we're going to enjoy some amazing sounds, okay? Now, there's a lot of people out there that enjoy the sounds of people's nails. There's people that enjoy the sounds of drinking. People enjoy a lot of different sounds. Oh, that is so satisfying. Listen. I'm deceased. Alright, you guys, so I thought before we dove into the comments, we could quickly take a hit, get really lit, and just have a ball, because what I'm about to read to you is so dark and twisted. There's some sick people out there, so we are not allowed to show marijuana on camera, but listen to a lighter. Let's do that again. Can you hear the butane? Amazing. We're gonna put up a picture of me and Nathan just so you can stare at us while I get high. Be right back. Alright everyone, we are back. Hi. Alright, so I'm gonna put up a few comments here on the screen. We're gonna get to know everyone, and then I'm just gonna keep reading them. Alright, and quick disclaimer, I am gonna go through the flagged section of my YouTube channel where you click and you see all the crazy hate comments in one. So some of them may be about me and my friends or people I filmed with this week. Some of them are probably all of them are just about me. So just know that before we dive in. So let's get started. And if you are offended by any crazy words like faggot or queer or tranny, I get called those every single day. You gotta take the power away from it. Laugh and do not take life serious. People online and strangers will come at you any day of the week, and they're just sitting there angry, and they want to vent, and they want to get out their pain. Absorb it. I'm your sponge. I can take the abuse. Some can't. I make a joke of it. Let's get started. Let's pick the first one. Bam. Mary says, "Why are you being a woman? It's just not okay. You were born a boy, men. So be it. Hashtag woman wannabe." Thank you for your concern. God bless you. Alright. Super Sienna fan says, "Piece of shit. Go kill yourself." Well, the thing is I really enjoy my life, so I'm gonna stay right here. But thank you for the concern and offer. Paige says, the only thing on your face later is gonna be your cum. My cum? Because your BF won't suck yo dick pussy. Because you're so ugly, he throws up when you guys go to fuck. So you gotta suck your own dick. I thought we'd take a little pause, a little break, and just do a little refreshment to my face. Sometimes all these lights, things get really dry. We're gonna use the Hydra Beauty Essence Mist from Chanel. I think that was like $5 coming out the bottle. Let's really set my face. Alright, you guys, let's dive into some more amazing comments. But first, wow, that was really loud. I need some lip gloss. Next comment. Super Fabio 64 says, I am fucking disgusted with this human's face. Bitch, my mom had to have a C-section to get this face perfect. Watch your mouth. Jalen says, 737, I think that's the time of the video. You're a dude. You can't get pregnant. I don't care if you're trans, you're still a dude. And here's the part of YouTube I don't understand. I get like hundreds and hundreds of these comments a day. I'm gonna flash up a few. You fucking fag. Homo. Every day when I'm sitting on the couch and my boyfriend's next to me naked and all my dogs are next to me and I'm fanning myself in sapphires and rubies, I just don't care being called a faggot. Let's read this next one. You guys are very bad sinners. Jeffree is super ugly and you guys don't deserve to be alive. You know you're going to hell. The only thing offensive about that comment is that she spelled my name with a Y. Ew. It's really hard to breathe in here. I'm gonna get out my Ventolin inhaler. Oh, I can hear the medicine in there. We love a good steroid. You guys, I'm getting really hungry. I have the munchies. This is a vanilla bean cupcake from a little grocery store here on the West Coast called Ralph's. And I am obsessed with these. They're really hard to find because these Calabasas bitches be buying them so fast. So if you're watching this and live in the area, save some for me. What a fucking waste of oxygen. Subhuman, degenerate, lowlife, queer-ass faggot. Fucking abomination scum. Wow. If looking at me made you that excited, I'm proud. Lucas says, faggot. I'm actually proud of his creativity. He put the parentheses, he put cough cough in the beginning. A for effort. Katie, sick fucking faggot, transvestite. Oh, I think they said, oh, okay. I think they're trying trying to say. Take this sick fucking faggot transvestite off YouTube. Fuck you too. You'll fucking show anything. My brain hurts. Jeffree, that nasty, demented cunt is going to ruin your brand. Stay away from people like her. Now, they were referring to Miss Kathy Griffin, and I don't think Kathy cares. She lives in a mansion. She's won 2 Emmys. She's won a Grammy, and she is legendary. So relax and don't call her the C word again. That's my name. Pink Orchid says, Nathan is ugly and boring. He is a gold digger. The opposite of ugly. Baby, come on. That was really stupid. And I gotta say one thing. Nathan met me before I was a multi-millionaire. So if you're gonna insult him, you gotta pick something else. Next. Oh my god. Okay, this one is really sweet. Sly says, I'll pray for you, trans faggot. Thanks, baby. Hanky says, ugly thought. Me? I thought. Jessica says, what are you? This country is going down the crapper. Toilet emoji. Gross tranny fucking dudes everywhere. Well, if you get a passport, you can move anywhere you want, because I'm not going anywhere. I gotta hear what this sounds like. Steven wrote, if you both want kids, me and Nate, you can both adopt me. Hurry though, I turn 18 in a few months. Cry funny face. That was sweet. Hi girl. But then the person below it responded, you want a dude suffering from mental illness and a weird fat woman who can't get her life straight to adopt you. At least you'd get suicidal and kill yourself. That's one idiot less. Oh my god, you guys, okay, real quickly before we read anything else. My teeth are made from zirconium crystal. I know. He's so extra. These are all crazy crowns, right? Just listen. The sounds of my nails on my teeth will put you to sleep tonight like Sade. Ooh, the rhinestones on the teeth are everything. Listen. I think I found my new calling. Alright guys, I got a few more gems. Clean Guy says, kill yourself. Greetings from Germany. My family's from Germany. Hi. And I don't want to kill myself, but thank you for the offer. Cassandra says, is there anything that can cover your ugly inside? I actually never felt any anger towards anyone on YouTube like I do towards you because of the way you trash talk people. How much attention do one person needs? Sigh. Can't relate. Okay, so someone just wrote and said, queer, queer, queer. Thank you. I'm aware. Alright, and the grand finale. Let's give a very generic burn in hell, you ugly piece of fucking shit. Okay, instead, I'm gonna apply some foundation and cover all the abuse you guys just gave me. I think that concludes reading all the comments for today. That was a lot. That's just like 1/10 of what I get on the daily. Do not take any of this serious. Life is not that deep. I don't know why any of those people feel the need to tell me that. but let them let it out of their bodies. Let them let it out of their souls. And it's okay, I can take it. Nathan is not into ASMR. Are you, babe?
Not really.
How come?
It actually creeps me out a little bit.
It doesn't put you to sleep, huh?
No.
Take a deep breath with me. Ready? So we're gonna try out a few sounds for you, and you guys let us know how you feel about it. Okay? Let's see what that sounds like. Alright, let's try a soft kiss. That was so loud. Let's try one more. Thank you. Cheers. Cheers. I want them to hear like a really big hit of, you know what?
Okay.
Just close your eyes, everyone, and listen. No coffee. Love you. Alright, you guys. This has been such an amazing first ever ASMR on my channel. I think this was a little challenging. I am not used to whispering for this long. I want to rip this wig off right now and just scream, which I'm going to do. But listen, I am going to have a few bloopers in a minute. So if you are getting into a calm, collected state, pause this video. But if you want a few laughs, finish to the end. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys. I'm about to rip this fucking wig off. Faggot. 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 Hey, you fucking faggot. Katie. I'm so confused. America, you are really embarrassing me right now. What's up, Delta Airlines? What's your tea?